Hey everybody, welcome back to another Basenji Adventures video. Remember a while back when Miss Zulu Joy was dealing with some back issues? Well, ComfrtCare has decided to send us a ramp that she can use. So we're gonna unbox it right now and check it out. ComfrtCare, look at that guys, what is this? What is this? Check it out. Whoa, pretty cool. I don't know what all these pieces are yet, but I'm gonna find out. This looks really nice. And there we have the finished ramp set up to use with our couch. Now we just need to get Miss Zulu Joy to use it. Zulu, come. Come here. Okay, now, come here, baby. Ramp. Good girl. See, she knows how to use the ramp. And just like that. Let's try that again, Zulu. Come here. All right. One more time. Show everybody how you use your ramp. There you go. As you can tell, she's feeling really good lately, so she's kind of jumping, but she does know how to use the ramp. It's a lightweight wooden frame that very easily adjusts to different heights, and it's got a nice tread on it, and it's very easy for the dogs to walk up and down. Ginger Ray isn't a ramp user. He'll jump right over the thing. But this one here, she'll use it. Come on down. Let's see if we can get her to come down. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good. Yeah, very good, Zulu. Let me see if I can show the adjustability here. So all we have to do to make it higher is go to this last one here, and it'll go even higher, which that is too high for our couch, but that's the maximum height right there. And then if we go to the far extreme other end of this thing, here's how low you can make it. So that's the other extreme end of the adjustment range. That would be good for something more like our step into the Florida room. So even though right now Zulu Joy isn't needing the ramp, she still does use it, and we encourage her to use it because we don't want her to re-injure herself. So if your dog is having trouble jumping on furniture and they like to be up there on the couch with their humans like ours do, this is a great product. Check it out using the link that's shown in the description of the video, as well as what's on screen right now. Basenji Adventures wants to thank ComfrtCare for sending Zinga and Zulu this wonderful ramp. It is highly adjustable and will fold flat to store under your bed. So if your dog is having any kind of issues with jumping, well, we can't recommend this thing enough. Check out the link in the description. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider sharing it with another dog lover, especially if they too might have a dog who is dealing with some spinal issues like this beautiful pup right here. Yes, Zulu, we're talking about you. Thanks again, everybody, for watching, and we hope you have an amazing day.